Imagine walking into a restaurant and tasting the menu with your toes. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Butterflies have special sensors on their feet called chemoreceptors. These let them taste everything they land on. So when a butterfly lands on a leaf, it's not just taking a break, it's sampling the flavor. If it tastes good, it lays eggs there. It's like having a built-in food critic in your toes, but way more useful if you're trying to survive in the wild. And get this, each foot can detect different things, helping them find the perfect meal or spot to raise their young. Nature's full of weird wonders like this. Ever heard of the shrimp that punches like a bullet? Hit follow and find out next.